Want to know how to download and install Grok AI on your Windows PC? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you step by step so you can get started in just a few minutes. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. Inside the store, head over to the AI Hub section. Now, in the search bar, type GX.AI and press Enter. Click on the app named GX.AI from the results. If you scroll down, you'll see the publisher information. This app is officially published by GX. Click the Get button to start downloading and installing the app. Once the installation is complete, simply click Open to launch Grok AI and start using it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Grok AI from the Microsoft Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.